And special thanks to our friends at Crave who were nice enough to send us this gold USB Type-C to USB cable. As you can tell, that's a standard USB cable or a USBA. Got a little bit of information on the back here of exactly how this cable is made. This is a 3-foot cable, and just love the magnetic box. Like, it's so overdone for a cable, but just makes it feel like you're getting some quality. Like, love this just opening and everything. Very nice. Now, out of that. Here is something else here. A 3-foot gold USB-A to USB-C cable. So me personally, I'm probably going to use this in my Tesla just because I have USB-A ports, so I can plug this in and then of course plug this into my phone or plug it into whatever I may need to charge that night. The nice braided cable will keep animals and stuff from chewing it, and the USB-C connector looks to be well made, as I don't see the line that splits it. So this seems to be a very high quality, very good cable, perfect for either in your car or right there at your desk at your office, or even on your nightstand at nighttime. Thanks again to Crave, who was nice enough to send us this USB Type-C to regular USB cable. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.